Today I will tell you about how to write your first program in Selenium Webdriver. So before starting, you must have some prerequisite in order to write that program. So in order to write first program, you need to have Eclipse ID for Java developer. You can download it from this particular website. As I have already downloaded, I have my Eclipse present over here. So in order to start an Eclipse, I will just double click on it. First prerequisite is this. Second prerequisite is that you need to have Selenium jar files. And in order to have Selenium jar files, you have to go to this link and download latest Selenium standalone jar files. Why they are used, I will tell you later. So just copy and paste this link over here and press enter. When you will press enter, it will open a Selenium official Selenium website, and from that website you will be easily able to download Selenium jar files. So my net is a bit slow, it's coming. Just wait for a second. See, you will click over here, and from here you will be getting this Selenium standalone jar files. So I have already downloaded these jar files, so I don't need it. So, as you have already seen, I have double clicked the Eclipse ID, and in Eclipse it will ask for workspace. You can choose your workspace wherever you want to do your work and do and save your work. Click on OK. When you will click on OK, it will open Selenium. It will open Eclipse, and in that we will be able to write our Selenium programs. So these are basically two prerequisites. Third prerequisite, you need to have Java installed in your system, JDK. If you don't have Java JDK, you can download Java JDK file and you can install. If you want to check the Java you are using, you can go to command.prompt and type Java version. When you will type this command, it will show that which Java version you are particularly using. If it's throwing an error, it's not showing, that means you have not properly installed Java or you have not properly set up environmental variables. So first set up those environmental variables which I have already told in another demo class. So once you have these three prerequisite, then you are able to write first code in Selenium Webdriver. So this is a basic appearance of the Eclipse. In Eclipse we will write our first program. So we will go to File, New, Java Project. We will click on Java Project. In Java Project we will give name test project 1 and finish it. It will open my test project 1, which is this, and if I will expand, it will give source and GRE system libraries. Now I will add a package in it. And my test package 1, finish, and then I will add a class in it. My test class, and be sure to check in this public static void main. It will help a lot for that. And click on finish button. When I will click on finish button, a page is open which my package is already imported and a class has been created. So I have a basic code with me and I will just copy and paste over there. This is simple code. I will copy just first 2 lines and paste it over here. Paste it over. What happened? over here. When I will paste it over here, I will be seeing that it's showing a warning that it's not able to identify WebDriver, Firefox driver, interface, and classes. So in order to do this, I need to import those jar files which I have downloaded earlier. So in order to import those jar files, I will right click on it and go to properties. Properties, I will go to Java build path. Java build path, I will go to libraries and I will add external jars. When I will add external jars, I will navigate where my jar files are stored. These three are jar files. I will add and I will again click on it and I will go to libraries and select all of these jar files and click on open and then I will click on OK. When I will click on OK, it will import all those jar files into reference library. You can see by clicking on this. Now I will click on this warning. What's it's showing error? I will try to see what is showing error. It is saying that I have to import WebDriver driver from Selenium package. I will import it. Click on it and it will import. Then it's showing another error that it's not able to find Firefox driver. So I will again click on it and I will import Firefox driver. And then I will, as I am using driver, so I will type driver dot get and I will paste URL www.google.com. One important thing we have to write over here HTTP, then only it will work. This is my first code, first very basic and simple code over there, and I will save this and I will click on run button over there. It will run from here. It will open Firefox browser and in that it will open google.com as I have given the URL as google.com. See, this is our first program in Selenium and I will tell our next